your learning experience. In your account you can easily navigate to your courses. Here you view your progress. The checked off lessons show you where you left off and which part you haven't done yet. We want you to be at your best, so the courses have a built-in focus mode. There are no distractions around the course content. For navigating between the lessons, you can also remain in the same area. This way you stay focused and you can remember better. Each topic consists of explanations and examples, how-to videos and assignments. After years of classroom training, we know exactly all the challenges you face as a starting designer. We've put all that experience into an extensive FAQ database, which is always at your disposal. And there is more. Join the live Q&A sessions. All these sessions are recorded. Rewatch the sessions and benefit from previous ones. Floorplanner continues to improve and expand itself. So we update the content continuously. For free. Get an official certificate. Show that you put in the effort to master Floorplanner. The lesson content is available on your computer, but also on tablets, smartphones and other mobile devices. Become a Floorplanner professional. Subscribe now.